Okay, eye creams are one of my favorite things to talk about, and I feel like under eye care, under eye products are one of the most misunderstood. And my favorite tip for this that I don't ever hear anyone talking about is to layer your under eye products. So, how you're gonna do this is kind of like how you layer your skincare from lightest to heaviest. So, as you do with your skincare, you're always gonna put on your serums, your moisturizers, and then your oil last because it's the heaviest consistency. So, same thing with your eye creams. So, these are just a couple of eye creams that I've heard good things about or I've tried that I would recommend to layer as your first step in your under eye cream. So, this Tatcha Silk Peony one is supposed to be really good. I did try a sample of it and I really liked it. I want to say it's about $28 or so. I've also heard great things about this under eye cream and this brand in general. Beauty of Hosan, I think is how you call it. It's a Korean beauty brand. This one is $22 on Amazon, although I have seen it cheaper on other websites. Amazon does have the free shipping though. And then lastly, this Coco Kind one has great reviews. It's really reasonably priced at $15.19. It's available at Target and it's got clean ingredients. So the reason that most people get creasing around their eyes is because their skin is so sensitive and it's so thin around and under their eyes that you need just a ton of extra hydration. So you want to think of it like you treat the rest of your skin, but it's even more sensitive and the skin is even more thin. So you want to put down a base of a really, really great under eye moisturizer like the ones I recommended. And then on top of that, you want to put an under eye oil. I obviously am going to recommend our Lark under eye oil because it has green coffee, which is great for depuffing. It's got avocado oil, which is super, super moisturizing. So you're always going to make sure that you layer those two products in that order to get the best bang for your buck when it comes to under eye creams. Now, one thing I will say about using and layering these two products is that it's great at night when you're going to sleep, but sometimes in the morning it can be a little bit heavy, especially if you wear makeup. So what I recommend doing is using your under eye cream, letting it dry down completely, use a little fan if you have to, and then apply the under eye oil. And our under eye oil has a little roller ball that you can apply it with. But what I would do is just tap a little bit with your fingers so you don't get as much oil and just dab it in underneath your eye. So that way you're getting a little bit less more oil, but you're still getting the benefits. You're still locking in all of that moisture and it'll dry a little bit quicker. So, and again, give it a good couple of minutes before you apply your under eye concealer so that way it doesn't smudge and that way you don't lose your concealer during the day. So that is one of my favorite tips and super top secret. Keep your eyes peeled. We may be launching a Lark under eye cream to pair with the green coffee and avocado oil here in the next couple of months. So be sure to keep an eye out for that.